Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about discount and sale price. Okay, so discount, selling price, and sale price. So we have to match the following definition to the words above. So definition, it is the reduction in the original price of a commodity. This is the product or service. So ibig sabihin nito, this is a discount reduction. Okay? So next, the amount of money that a company charges for its product. So anong ibig sabihin yan? So that is, or another definition, it is the price that the customers pay for buying a product without a discount. So this is also known as the original price, or ibig sabihin, this is the selling price. Another definition, it is the final price at which a product or item is sold to a customer after a discount have been applied. So this is a sale price. Okay, so ito yung mga definition natin kanina, selling price, discount, and also the sale price. Okay, ngayon, yung formula natin, ipanapin natin yung discount. So discount equals original price times rate of discount. Okay, kapag sale price naman, sale price equals original price minus discount. And selling price, original price equals the sale price divided by 1 minus the discount rate. And rate of discount, it is rate of discount equals discount divided by original price times 100%. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, we have to complete the table. Items, yung mga items natin, original price, discount rate, discount, and sell price. Okay, dito po sa item na jeepney fare, so given ang original price, given yung kanyang discount rate. So hanapin natin dito yung discount at saka yung sale price. And take note, yung formula ng discount, kunin natin at saka yung sale price. Okay, so ito yun ang formula, discount is equal to original price times rate of discount. And the sale price is equal to original price minus discount. Okay, dito sa first, yung sa jeepney, original price niya is 15, then the discount rate is 20. So ang formula sa discount, original times, so yung original natin is 15 pesos, multiply natin sa rate of discount, yung 20%. Or 0.20. Okay? So, yung percent, move natin yung, we have to change the percent into decimal. So, magiging 0.20. So, 15 times 20, so that is 3 pesos. Okay? 30 yan, then kunin natin yung decimal place is magiging 3 pesos. Sa sale price naman, ang formula ng sale price, original price minus discount. So, yung original price na 15 pesos, then minus natin sa discount na 3 pesos. Okay, so 15 minus 3, so that is 12 pesos. Okay, another one, dito sa laptop, given yung discount rate at saka yung sale price, hanapin natin yung original price at saka yung discount. Okay, formula ng original price or selling price, sale price over 1 minus discount rate. Okay? So, ang sale price is 44,900. Divide natin sa 1 minus 12% or change natin si 12% into decimal. So, magiging 0.12. So, i-divide natin yan. So, that is 44,990 divided by 0.88. Saan galing yung 0.88? Minus natin 1 minus 0.12. Okay, so magiging 0.88. So, i-divide natin yan. The result is 51,125. So, ito na yung original price. Okay, so ngayon, kunin naman natin yung discount. Ang discount, original price times rate of discount. Yung original price naman ay 51,125, multiply natin sa rate of discount na 12% or 0.12. Okay, 51,125 multiply natin sa 0.12. So that is 6,135. Next, yung next natin is 2,500 yung original price. Hanapin natin yung discount rate at saka yung sell price given ang discount. So, kapag discount rate ang hinahanap, yung formula, discount rate, so the rate of discount is equal to discount divided by original price times 100%. So, discount natin, okay, that is 150 divided by original price. Okay? Yung discount is 150. So, i-divide natin sa original price na 2,500. So, that is 0.6. Okay? Ngayon, ang sale price naman, 0.6 or 6%. So, of course, i-change natin yan into percent. So, yung sale price is equal to original price minus discount. Okay, yung original price na nakuha natin dito ay yung given na 2,500. I-minus na to sa discount na 150 pesos. So, 2,500 minus 150. So, equals 2,350. Okay? So, yan na po yung table natin na complete na natin. Okay, next. Dito tayo sa problem solving. So, example number 1. A bookstore is having a sale where all books are discounted by 15%. If a book originally cost 500 pesos, find the discount amount and the sale price of the book. Okay, so ito yung solution natin. To find the discount, okay, yun ang unang hinahanap, di ba? Find the discount and the sale price. To find the discount, so again, yung formula ng discount is original price times rate of discount. Tapos yung sale, okay, i-solve muna natin. Discount is, original price niya is 500 pesos multiply sa 15% or 0.15. So yung discount is 75% or 75 pesos. Ngayon, to find the sale price, hanapin natin yung sale price. So sale price equals original price minus discount. So ang original price na ngayon ay 500, okay, minus discount na 75 pesos. So, pila na ron? 500 minus 75 is 425 pesos. Okay? Next question. Tech Store is offering a promotion where the first 15 customers can buy a pair of earbuds. Originally, priced at $899 with 20% discount. Mark was one of these customers and purchased the earbuds as the discounted price. Calculate how much Mark saved through the discount and the final sale price he paid for the earbuds. Okay, solution. To find the discount. Kasi kunin natin yung discount, di ba? Calculate how much Mark saved through the discount and final sale price. So, yung dalawa yung hanapin natin dito. Discount and final sale price. So, discount, original price times rate of discount. So, original price is 899 times 20% or 0.20. So, ang total is 179 pesos. Or, i-multiply natin yung 899 times 0.2 or 0.20. So, that is 179.80 pesos. Okay? So, to find the sale price, so, sale price equals original price minus discount. So, yung original price is 899 minus discount is 179.80. So, equals 719.20 pesos. Okay, so ito lang yung topic natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat. At again, paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless.